What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online simply by watching videos. Now, before we get into the content, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 sites that you can actually use that you can watch videos and earn $30 per day. Now, one of these sites I have covered in a previous video before, and I just covered it briefly. And the same site, I went ahead and created an account because I just kind of wanted to see what the back office looked like and whatever else. So I'll be sharing some details with you all on that. But what I do want to share with you all before I share those 3 sites is that with this is not a way to actually replace a full-time income. This is just another way for you to generate additional funds. And with these funds, you can actually help to fund maybe a different business model, like Shopify or something like that. Or maybe even with, just like, personal expenses. Maybe you like to travel quite a bit. Maybe you like to go out to have dinner, like, 3 times a night. I mean, not 3 times a night, 3 times a week or something like that. And, this could be some money that you can use for that without having to dip into your, your primary source of income, which may be a full-time job or something like that. But you definitely want to look into this, okay? So make sure you stay at the end of the video because I want to give you a free gift as well. So the first site that I want to share with you all, and this is a site that I've covered before, is called usertesting.com. So with this particular site, you will be able to, watch videos and test different websites to kind of give these companies feedback on what you're seeing and what you're experiencing. And these tests usually last anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and you get paid $10 per test. Now, there is an opportunity where you can earn, additional bonus money and whatever else, but that's that depends if that particular company wants additional information from you from the test that you had already completed or something like that. So when you come over here to usertesting.com and you click on get paid to test, this is where you can actually sign up for it. It's free to join. And what you'll have to do is you'll have to go through a sample test, and they're going to see if you're able to, record your screen, which they're actually going to provide you like an automatic screen recorder that pops up. And they want to make sure that, that you speak out loud when you are doing these tests, okay? So it's not simply where you're just going to go to a website, look at the website, and then just write down some notes on what you found. It's actually going to be a screen recorder. You have to speak into a microphone or something like that, and you have to share your experience. So whatever step that they give you, if they're going to tell you to visit this website and click on this button here, you want to say like, hey, okay, I'm on this website. I'm about to click on this button right now. They want you to talk out the steps. They want you to talk out your thoughts about the website or whatever else. You're going to get different scenarios and things like that, and they're going to tell you what they are looking for. And when you're doing that, make sure you speak out loud and share your thoughts. There are no wrong or right answers to this. They just want to see what your honest, opinion or your thoughts are or whatever else. And that, in turn, can help them create a better user experience when people come to visit their websites, okay? That is as simple as it gets. And now, like I said, each test usually lasts about 10 to 15 minutes long. Not 10 to 15, but 15 to 20 minutes long. And you'll get paid 7 days after you complete the test. Now, what you also want to make sure, let me see, I covered everything. Let's see. And like I said, again, this is not a way to replace a full-time income, but like I said, it's a good way to generate some income. Now, you can see here you can earn up to $60 per test. And like I said, it varies with the different companies and what they're asking for. And you won't be able to get, be able to test for everything because certain tests do have certain requirements that you need to meet. You will find that out once you start to apply for each of those tests. But again, you can still earn up to at least $30 per day with this particular this strategy. Now, if you were to only just use this website, right, and you was able to knock out, at least 3 tests per day, just kind of like a scenario, if you did 3 tests per day, so which would be $30 per day for 5 days, that's an extra, $150 per week. So like I said, that's an extra little spending cash, or extra $600 per month pretty much. And that can be some extra spending cash that you can use to, like I said, to fund some, personal expenses, travel, or whatever else, right? So that's something that you can definitely do with this. I'm trying to make sure I cover everything. I feel like I'm forgetting something. But that's how you can do that as well. Now, they have 2 other sites that are similar to this. I have not gone in the back office to check them out or signed up for them, but they're very similar, okay? So the next one is Try My UI. Now with Try My UI, you also get paid $10 per test. Both of these will pay out through PayPal. Each test takes about 20 minutes. So again, it's very similar to the previous website, user testing, and you're working with big brand companies as well as other different companies as well. And then once you have completed a test and they have actually cleared that payment, they pay out every Friday via PayPal, okay? So it's the same thing here. Then the next site that I want to share with you all is Lytx, and I'll put links to all three of these below this video in the description below. And with Lytx, again, it's the same thing. You're going to get paid via PayPal. You have to answer some questions, and you can get paid anywhere from $5 to $20 per test. Each test takes about 15 to 20 minutes. And there are also some cases where you can actually earn more per test, okay? So again, just to give you guys another hypothetical. So if you were to sign up for user testing, Test My UI, and also Lytx, and you are able to do, at least 3 tests per day with each of these sites, that's $90 per day, which will turn out to about $450 per week if you did that 5 days out the week, which is an extra $1,800 per month. And now those are hypotheticals; those are not guaranteed numbers, and it's not guaranteed that you will always, get at least 3 tests per website. Okay, this kind of give you an idea of what you could expect if you kind of dive into this. Now with usertesting.com, the one thing I will tell you that you have to do is that you have to make sure that you keep your this website open, your back office open, because you're going to get alerts, like a little ding, like a notification bell, and it's going to let you know that where new updates or new available tests have been updated to your back office, right? So you definitely want to make sure you do that, because you can hear that notification bell and it'll be a bunch of tests that'll show up. But even if you do not respond, or you walk away and then you try to come back and see if the tests are available, they could all be gone, pretty much, right? So when you hit that when you hear that little bell, check the website, see what available tests there are, and if you qualify for them, go ahead and go through the steps. And once you have completed it, like I said, you will get paid 7 days following from that. Okay, guys? So all 3 of these websites, like I said, I will put the links below this video. And again, it's very, very simple to do. This is something that you can do in your off time instead of watching television or something like that. You can spend a little time and just doing like these quick website reviews and sharing your thoughts, and you can get paid for doing it, right? So that's how I want to share with you all, okay? So underneath this video in the description below, again, it's going to be the links to all 3 of these sites. But then also I'm going to include a link where if you want to learn how to make money online, how I have been actually making money online for the last 4 years and the strategies that I have been using, I'm going to give you access to a free 4-part video series, okay? That's going to show you how to make $100 to $300 per day. Now, when you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page and it's going to ask for your best email address. Make sure you put your best email address in there, because if you do, you will also get a free course from me that's worth $97 for free, and it'll be sent directly to your email inbox, okay? So if you don't put your best email address in there, you will not get that free $97 course that I will be sending you, okay? So make sure you do that. And again, also check out some of these sites. Again, all 3 of them are free to sign up for. And again, this is just a great way for you to generate some additional income for expenses and to invest into another high-paying business opportunity in the online marketing space, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you leave them below. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys. Peace.